Now I round at decimal places by using round function within sum function. You can use two functions in one formula. So inserting two functions in one formula is called nested. Nested function consists of two parts. First function is called outer function and second function is called inner function. The outer function uses the inner function as an argument value. This is the structure of nested function. The structure of formula shows that Excel first sums the values from the selected range and then round at digits after the decimal. This is argument 1. In argument 2, number 1 round at digits after the decimal. If you type 1 in argument 2, round function will round the decimal places after the decimal. You can see after the decimal there are two digits 9 and 8. In argument 2, number 0 round at digits before the decimal. So if you type 0 in argument 2, round function will round the nearest integer before the decimal. You can see before the decimal there are 5 digits 3, 7, 6 to 7.